Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. Welcome back to online classes again. So in the last class we have solved some of the problems. Today we are going to solve some more problems from the other exercise as well as the word problem. Okay na? Right. So very simple. One problem. Next type of problem like this. X plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. So very simple problem. Here just we should cross multiply. That's all. Okay na? What we have to do? Just cross multiplication. 8 like this. 8 into x plus 1 is equals to 3 into 2x plus 3. Now very simple. 8 into x, 8x plus 8 is equals to 3 2 ja 6x plus 3 3 ja 9. Now very simple. 8x is greater here, 6x is greater, therefore 8x as it is plus 6x if it comes here minus 6x is equals to 9 is there. 9 plus 8 means if it comes here it will become minus 8. Now 8x minus 6x is 2x is equals to 1. Therefore x equal to half. Okay, so this is very simple problem. Okay, like that only one more problem. 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equals to. Now very simple. I told you here it is nothing is there means you can write by 1. Now cross multiplication 1 into 8, 8x minus 3 is equals to 2 3 ja 6x. Now very simple. 8x as it is plus 6x means minus 6x is equals to minus 3 if it comes here it will become plus 3. Now 8x minus 6x is 2x is equals to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2. Understood? Yes. One more question. 9x divided by 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. So same problem. Here again divided by 1. Now 1 into 9x is 9x is equals to 15 into 7 that is 105 minus 15 6 90x. Now bring that 90x here, that is already 9x plus 90x is equals to 105. Now 90 plus 9x, 99x is equals to 105. Therefore x equals to 105 divided by 99. Therefore you can simplify 105 divided by 99. 3 3 ja 3 3 ja 3 3 ja 3 5 ja. Therefore what is the answer? 35 by 30. Okay na? So like this you should solve. Right? There is some more problems. Yes. Z divided by z plus 15 is equals to 4 by 9. One more problem. 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equals to minus 2 by 5. So you see this problem, z divided by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Just cross multiplication. Therefore 9 into z is 9z plus 4 into z is equals to 4z plus 15 into 4 is 16. Now see, 9z plus 4z, if it comes here, minus 4z is equals to 60. 5z is equals to 60. Therefore z equal to 60 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 1 ja 5 2 ja. Therefore z is equals to 12. Next, again cross multiplication. You can do like this. One more step, you can write extra. 5 into 3y plus 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Now very simple. 5 3 ja 15y plus 5 4 ja 20 equal to minus 4 plus 2 6 ja 12y. Now 15y as it is plus 12y, if it comes here minus 12y, already minus 4 is there, plus 20, if it goes that side it will become minus 20. Therefore 3y equal to minus 24 and y equal to minus 24 by 3. 3 ones 3 8s, therefore y equal to minus 8. Okay na? So in this exercise you have to do only cross multiplication and nothing else. Okay na? Again one more problem. These problems are reducing to linear equation. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 equal to minus 4 by 3. So simple problem. Again I told you, just cross multiplication. 3 into 7y plus 4 equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Now very simple. 3 7 ja 21y plus 3 4 ja 12 equal to minus 4y minus 8. Okay, very simple. Now 21y minus 4y, if it comes left side it will become plus 4y equal to minus 8 minus 12. So 21 plus 4 is 25y equal to minus 20. Therefore y equal to minus 20 by 25. 5 5 ja 5 4 ja. Therefore y equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay na? So you will get the problems like this. Did you understand? Yes. Yes. Some more problem you see. 5z minus 7 divided by 3z equal to minus 2. So very simple. I told you 2 capital N's 2 by 1. Now just cross multiplication. 1 into 5z minus 7 is equals to minus 6z. Therefore what happened? 5z minus means plus 6z is equals to plus 7. 5 plus 6 is 11z is equals to 7. Therefore z is equals to 7 by 11. Okay na? So like this very simple problems. These are 1 or 2 marks problems only. Okay na? Right. One more problem. 2x plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 5 minus 2x minus 4 divided by, yes, no problem. You can see here, if the problems are like this, first we have to take a LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, multiply throughout by 6. Now 2 3 ja, therefore 3 into 2x plus 3 is equals to, here nothing is there, 6 5 ja 30 minus 2 is there, 2 2 ja 4 into x minus 4. Now very simple, 3 2 ja 6x plus 3 3 ja 9 equal to 30 minus 4x minus into minus plus 16. Now very simple, 6x minus 4x, if it comes here, plus 4x equal to 30 plus 16 is 46 minus 9. Therefore 6x plus 4x is 10x is equals to 37. Therefore x equal to 37 divided by 10. Yes, you can write like this, or x is equals to 3.7 or yes, it is nothing but 3.7. Okay na? Yes. So one more question. 2x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 2 equal to 9 by 10. Yeah. Again, same problem. 10, you can write here 10 into 2x plus 1 is equals to 9 into 3x minus 2. Now multiply 10 into 2 is 20x plus 10 is equals to 9 3 ja 27x minus 18. Now see, very simple, 10 as it is plus 18 equal to 27x minus 20x. So 28 equal to 7x, therefore x equal to 28 divided by 7, 7 1 ja 7 4 ja. Therefore x equal to 4. Okay na? So problems are same only here also, just cross multiplication. Here also done, we have done this is second method, and again that is also cross multiplication method. Okay na? So please see, the problems are very simple. Okay na? Yes, some more problems. 19 minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 6x plus 7 minus 5x. So very simple. First we will make all the x on one side and all numbers on the second side. Now 19 minus 3 is 16 plus 7, if it comes here, minus 7. Now 6x minus 5x is x, minus 2x means plus 2x. Now 16 minus 7, how much it is? 9 is equals to 3x. Therefore x equal to 9 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3 3, therefore x equal to 3. See, sometimes they may ask you to verify also. So how to verify our answer, whether it is correct or not? We can verify, that is verification. How verification? LHS you take 19 minus 2 into x is nothing but 3 minus 3, 19 minus 6 minus 3, therefore 19 minus 9 is equals to 10. So like that only RHS you see, 6 into 3 plus 7 minus 5 into 18 plus 7 minus 15. 18 plus 7 is 25 minus 15, that is also 10. That means what happened? LHS is equals to RHS. Okay na? Yeah. So that means what? We can verify by ourselves so that the answer, there is no problem in that answer. 10 plus 3x minus 7 is equals to 7x plus 8 minus 6x. Here also same thing. You can write one more step. 3x plus 3 is equals to 7x minus x is x plus 8. Now this is in simplified form. Now 3x is greater, therefore bring that. 3x minus x equal to 8 minus 3. 3x minus x is 2x is equals to 5. Therefore x equal to 5 by 2. Okay na? X equal to 5 by 2. Next question. 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So very simple. 5t plus 3t means minus 3t equal to minus 5 plus 3. Therefore 5t minus 3t means 2t equal to minus 2. Therefore t equal to minus 11. Yes, some more problems. Yes. 2y by 2y plus 5 divided by y plus 7 equal to 1. 1 minus 9y by 19 minus 3y equal to 5 by 8. One more. 3y plus 5 divided by 3 minus 2y equal to 5 by 2. Yes. See, questions are same only. Only thing is we have to cross multiply. Here 1 by 1 means same only. 2y plus 5 equal to y plus 7. In this 2y is greater or y is greater? 2y is greater, therefore bring that plus y this side, it will become minus y. 7 plus 5, it comes here minus 5. Now 2y minus y is y, 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2. Next, 8 into 1 minus 9y equal to 5 into 19 minus 3y. So very simple, 8 into 1 is 8 minus 8 9 is 72y equal to 19 into 5 is 95 minus 15y. Here, however you want, you can bring that side. Here 72y is there, so take that side, bring 95 here. Therefore 8 minus 95 equal to 72y minus 15y. So 8 minus 95 is nothing but minus 87 is equals to 72 minus 59. 15. Yes? 57y. 57? Yes, sorry. 57. Therefore, y equal to minus 87 divided by 57. One more time you can see. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 9 ja 72y equal to 19 5 ja 95 minus 15y. Now 8 minus plus 95 if it comes here 95. 72 minus 72 if it comes here plus 72 minus 15y. So 57 minus 87 minus 87 by 57. Okay na? Next. 3 into 3y plus 5 is equals to 5 into 3 minus 2y. Therefore what happened? 3 3 ja 9y plus 3 5 ja 15 equal to 5 3 ja 15 minus 5 2 ja 10y. 15 15 cancels. Okay na? Yes, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 5. Therefore 9y plus 10y equal to 0. 19y is also equal to 0. Here 19 is not equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 0. Okay na? So very simple. Please take on. Yes. So this is the last version of problems, last type of problems. There are some word problems are there. We will concentrate now on. Okay na? Right. No problem. We do small problems. Yes. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Do you know what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Yes. Isosceles means any two sides will be equal. Any two sides. For example, ABC is a triangle, then AB equal to AC. Okay? Right. Now, the base is 4 by 3 centimeters. How much it is? 4 by 3 centimeters. And what about the perimeter? 4 whole 2 by 15 cm. This is perimeter. We should find out the sides of the triangle. So very simple. Perimeter of triangle. Sum of all sides. So these two sides are equal. Let AB equal to AC equal to x centimeters. Then what happens? Perimeter is 4 2 by 15 centimeters equal to x plus 4 by 3. Now 15 into 4 is 60 plus 2 is 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3 equal to x plus x is 2x. Now the LCM is, now you can take 2x equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. The LCM is 15. 62 minus 3 into 5, 5 4 is 20. Therefore, 2x equal to 42 by 15, x equal to 42 by 15 into 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 7 ja. Therefore, x equal to 7 by 5 centimeters. Yes. One more problem. The sum of three consecutive numbers. See, for example, continuous numbers means what? Like this. For example, 1, 2, 3. These are all continuous numbers. Instead of 1, if I take x, then what about this? Yes, x plus 1. For this and this, how much what is the difference? 1. Therefore, we can write like this, x plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, what happened? X plus 1, therefore x plus 2. Sum means what happened? Plus is equals to 51. Now very simple. X plus x, how much? 3x. 1 plus 2, 3 is equals to 51. Therefore, 3x equal to 51 minus 3. And what happened? Yes, 3x is equals to 48. Therefore, x equal to 48 by 3 equal to 16. Now for first number is 16, second number is 16 plus 1 and the third number is 16 plus 2. Now the numbers are 16, 17 and 18. You can verify 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 2 plus 3, that is 15. Like this. Okay na? So you should take the numbers like this. Very simple. There are three consecutive numbers are there. Their sum is 51. Find those numbers. This is the problem. Therefore, let the numbers will be x plus 1 and x plus 2. Sum means it is nothing but adding. That is equal to 51. So you will get like this. Okay na? Yes? Yeah. Some more problem. One more. Very simple. Yes. One more small problem like this. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? If they differ by 18. If they differ means? If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Very simple. Differ means it is nothing but, yes, we will not take problem. One more problem. Yes. The consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, there are three consecutive numbers are there. One is x, one is x plus 1 and one more is x plus 2. If they are multiplied with 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. If they multiply with 2, 3 and 4, their sum is equals to, their sum equal to 74. Find those numbers. Very simple. Now see, 2 into x, 2x plus 3x plus 3. 4x plus 8 equal to 74. Now 2x plus 3x is 5x, 5x plus 9, 4x is 9x is equals to 74. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 means plus 11. If it comes here, it will become minus 11. Now 9x is equals to 63. X equal to 63 divided by 9. 9 1 ja, 9 7. Therefore x equal to 7. Therefore, what are the numbers now? Yes. You can see first one is 2 7, that is 8 9. You can add 2 7 ja 14, 3 8 ja 24, 4 9 ja 36. You can see 70. Okay na? So you can do the problems like this. Understood? Yes. One more. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio Rahul Harun. Their ratio is 5:7. Therefore, the ages will be 5x and 7x. 5x years and 7x years. Then the number, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. So 5x is there. 4 years later means 4 years later. 4 years later means after 4 years. Their ages, therefore 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 56. Yes, no problem. Now 5x plus 12x is 7x is 12x is equals to 56 minus 8. So 12x equal to 48, x equal to 48 divided by 12 is equals to 4. Therefore, their ages are Rahul 7x, therefore 7 into 4, 28 years, and Harun 5x means 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Yes, one more easy problem. Lakshmi is a cashier in the bank. She has currency notes of 100, 50 and 10. Rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. They are in the ratio 2:3:5. 2x, 3x and 5x. Therefore, total amount means what you have to do? You have to multiply. Therefore, 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equals to, what is the total amount? It is 4 lakhs. Now, so we'll see 200 plus 150, 350. 350 plus 50 is 400x is equals to 4 lakhs. Therefore, x equal to what happened? 4 lakhs divided by 400. Therefore, 2 zeros 4 ones, 4 0 0 0. Therefore, x equal to how much? 1000. Therefore, the number of nodes, that is rupees 100, 2x is equals to 2 into 1000, that is 2000 notes. Next, rupees 50, 3x, therefore 3 into 1000 is nothing but 3000 notes. Rupees 10, 5x equal to 5 into 1000, 5000. If you want amount means you can calculate by yourself. Into 100, that is 2 lakhs. Next, into 50, 1 lakh 50,000. Into 10, it is nothing but 50,000. Therefore, totally it will be 4 lakh. Okay, na? So you can clarify your doubt like this. That means what? Lakshmi has denomination of rupees as rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. They were in the ratio 2:3 3:5. Let the notes will be 2x and 3x and 5x. Therefore, when you multiply, you will get the amount. So 2x into 100 is 200x. 3 into 50x is 150x and 5 into 10x is 50x. The total amount as per this is much, but the actual amount is 4 lakhs. Therefore, if you do like this, denominations will be like this. Therefore, 100 rupees notes will be 2000, 50 notes will be 3000 and 10 notes will be 5000. Therefore, like this if you do, the total amount will be 4 lakhs. Understood? Yes. So very simple problem. Only thing is you should understand, right? Okay. One more problem for this class. Yes. Yes. I have a total of rupees 300 rupees. First you write total amount. Total amount is rupees 300. Okay na? Yes. Same rupees here, rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the rupees coins of 5. If x be the number of rupees 5 coins, therefore 2 rupees will be 3x, 3 times of it. Okay na? Yes, 3 times. The total number of coins is 160. Say small example I will tell. Total number of coins 160. In this 160, 100 gone and 40 gone. Therefore, what about the remaining? It is nothing but 160 minus 140 equal to 20. So just you apply here 5 rupees coins will be x and 2 rupees coins will be 3x. Therefore, this 1 rupee coin will be 160 minus 4x. Now amount, just multiply 160 minus 4x, 6x. This is 5x total. So it will be equal to rupees 300. This is the amount for 1 rupee. This is the amount of 2 rupees and this is the amount of 5 rupees. Now very simple. Now see, 6 plus 5 11x minus 4x is equals to 3000 minus, you can see here, minus 160. Okay na? It is nothing but 7x equal to yes. So here 11x minus 4x equal to 300 minus 160. 7x equal to 300 minus 160 is nothing but 140. X equal to 140 divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 20. Okay na? Now very simple. Now rupees 5 x, therefore x is nothing but 20, and rupees 2, that is 3x, that is 3 into 20, it is nothing but 60, and the remaining are 160 minus 40 minus 20 is 80, it is nothing but 80. You can do it. So this is rupees 1. Okay na? Now you can calculate whether it is correct or not. You can clarify by yourself. You see, 20 into 5, that is rupees 100. Next one, 60 into 2, that is rupees 120, and 80 into rupees 1, that is rupees 80. So if you do total, how much? It is nothing but rupees 300. Therefore, you should do the problem like this. Okay? Please take down.